our science major student conducting a community development assessment among the science community in Davao Central College Turil, Davao City.
Today, we aim to determine the strengths, needs, and the possible solutions within the BSed Science community through a short interview.
Good day po. May we know your name and your year level?
My name is Joshua Lago and I am third year science major.
I am Johara Ranabakan and third year science. My name is Rosmal Al Castro, a third year basic science student.
So, our first question is, what is one common problem or challenge you experience as a science major student?
So, sa napansin ako, every experiment is kanang mga lack of mga kanang chemicals na gamitin sa every experiment, and also are the microscope na siya pero ngayon ba na dili na
Student.
The common problem is limited equipment because some students are kanadilit siya magamit ng ganang equipment because of limited lang.
So one of the problems here that we are encountering as a science student is that kulang ang mga gamit and ang mga apparatus as well as the equipment. So if you are having a task or a laboratory is that kulang ang mga gamit and that is dili na mo ma-fully himo ang laboratory. It's because kulang jud siya and also on pag-learn sa isa ka student if kulang jud ang gamit. And by that kay pag kulang ang gamit is that maggamit mi o kanang lain na alternatives kay para buhat lang namo ko ang patungal laboratory. And also if kulang po mo ang magagamit is that dili good kayo ano sa bata, dili like accurate po ang ilang mapunan and kulang din siya. And muna ang one of the problem dun na gina-face sa mga basic science student here in Davao
Now,
City.
why do you think, ma'am, this problem exists?
Kay, actually, siguro sa kakulangan ko pag-provide kaning fund sa science, kay hindi naman sa tanan katagan sa itong fund para mapalit na kay. Dako na siya na bad mapalit na siya.
It exists because as we step in the college life, we expected that kanang wala jud problem ana nag-exist. But based on our experiences is that every time na namin mga laboratory or mga activities is that makita jud na mo na kulang jud siya. And also, if you are going to request something sa taas or sa nagagunit sa mga gamit, if na sila na kulang, and mag-reflect po to siya sa sa learning po sa ka-student if ever kulang. Mo to siya nag-exist po siya kayo. Dili lang kami naka-experience as well as the first year, second year, third year, and fourth year na dili jud kompleto jud ang gamit. Pag dili jud kompleto ang gamit, dili jud kanang sakto or dili jud siya kanang accurate jud ang ilang ma-learn anak.
Siguro ang kakulangan ng mga gamit ay kakulangan ng mga equipment nga dili somehow nga dili pa nang like access na yun sa school.
So for your next question is, what strength or resources does your community already have?
Based on our experiences, if ever we are lacking of those equipment, is that gagamit ang mga teachers or mga instructors of simulation so that ma-hit sa isa ka estudyante ang ilang critical thinking and problem solving skills in that application. We have also here kanang kusog man na mo ang internet diri as a school, diba? Kusog ang internet. And also, pag wala ang gamit, dili mo dyan na to siya mapubos nga, makuha dyan na to siya dayon. But we need alternatives in order for the students to learn. So, nagagamit ang teachers og mga simulation app. And by that is, maka-learn po somehow ang mga students sa anak at subjects.
For me, like, example, the laboratory.
So, sa Quality Science is support siya every experiment. Parang hatag na lang o kanin, palitan ninyo ni para kaning mapatuloy ang experiment. One of the strengths.
Now, ma'am, how can these strengths help solve the problem?
It can solve the problem by gina-encourage or gina-engage na to ang isa ka student na use of simulation app, no? Kaya di man pwede nga, dira lang tataman pag wala is wala na. So we need the other alternative. So we have to solve this kind of problem in order for the students to learn and to mapadayon ang ilahang learning despite of those problems.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So by that, is ma-continue gyapon ng experiment and ma-feel tong gap or katong emptiness kana sa mga chemicals. Palitan na lang sa mga students.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
For me, is the student like kapangay sila like study or mag ano.
Okay, so thank you, sir.
In summary, the science community in Davao Central College commonly faces challenges due to the limited number of laboratory equipment, making it difficult for all students to perform a hands-on experiment. Because of this, teachers use alternative methods such as simulation, educational apps, and websites to help students understand laboratory concept. Although actual laboratory experience is limited, these digital tools still allow students to learn and visualize experiments effectively. This shows that despite the lack of resources, both teachers and students adapt to ensure that learning continues.